Hey guys, and Hardy here, and this is my second verification test. Today, we are going to be playing a game called Square Check. This is my second verification test, and yeah, here we go. Fever mode, huh? Ooh, that's a lot of boys. So this is a This is a verification test, so here we go. Perfection. Ugh! Me die. So yeah, the whole premise of this game is that you play as a little chick that lays eggs. Oh, and you travel. And apparently this game. Perfection. Oh, shell yeah. Shell yeah. There is no sound happening whatsoever. And this is a verification test anyway, so it's best to kill the time. Okay. Frick. Boink. Boink. Oh, pfft. Me dead. So yeah, you're basically just going to see me fail a million times as I play as a weird chicken. Later. What if I just do this? Oh. Frick. Boosh. How delightful. I was gonna do Granny, but I was like, nah, let's not. Oh. 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 I did a thing. Ooh. Yeet. This game is kind of cute because you play as a little chick that goes chirp.
Help me in the kitchen.
Okay, Mom, I'll be there in a sec. I'm just trying to finish this level.
You're always playing games. Why can't you peel some real food for once?
Whatever, just leave me alone.
Wow, what a complete dinglehopper. Glad I'm not like that. Oh! How do I delete? How do I delete eggs? Oh, I had to do a freaking fever. I'm stupid. Did I just see Baby Shark? It's Baby Shark! Baby Shark, do 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 do, Baby Shark! Baby shark, do 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 do. I really hate this song. No, thank you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Level 10. Boing, boing. Ooh, I got the Hertzies. Oh my gosh. This thing is always pointless. Sorry guys, I had to leave the room for a minute. My chair is going down very slowly, help me. Ooh yeah. Ooh, that's an ooch. We could choose between a normal peeler and a freaking dagger. Ow. Ooh, that's a mega money. Ooh, but these cost more money. This game is kind of cute. I've been meaning to play this game, actually. Ugh. Not right now. Well,
Donald Trump failed as a businessman.
well, I don't care. Ow. I'm just want to play my game. Fever! This game has no music whatsoever. Why does it grant us the option to even use music? Ooh.
Donald Trump failed.
What the freak? That weird eagle just took away some of my eggs. Ow. Mostly Shadow P Gamers said that I didn't do 19 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna try to do 19 minutes. Ow. I died.
Donald Trump failed.
That's... How many times am I gonna see that ad? Ah. Hey guys, we're gonna go through hell again. And I had to do a few things. I had to get a few things off of my no body emblem chest. Fever! Oh, I was so scared for a moment.
Donald Trump failed as a
Oh
businessman.
my gosh. Just leave me the heck alone already. Fever! Okay. Ow! Are you kidding me? You gotta be joking, kidding me. Ow! Boy! This is a verification test, now it's turning into a rage video! I'm spitting on my freaking phone right now! That works. Go! Ooh, that was so close! Yes, Eggos. Give me the Eggos.
Donald Trump failed.
Oh, scrap, spikes. Spikes, spikes! Yeah.
Donald Trump failed.
I swear to gosh, if I see that ad again, I'm gonna switch straight up to non-plant. If I see that ad one more time, I'm just gonna do a quick speed run of non-plant. We see the purple chicken in its natural habitat as it poops out a bunch of purple blocks. Well, at least it ain't that Donald Trump video. Ow. Actually, if I die one more time, I'm just gonna... Well, here goes nothing. Ah! 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 That freaking game! That freaking game! Ah! Ah! I think I'm gonna kill my boys! Oh my frick. Oh frick. Frick. I'm so sorry. That was so dumb. Alright. I let all my rage out, so here we go. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Ow. Once we reach 5 minutes. What the? I need no internet connection. This phone's stupid. But it's the best way for me to keep my account. Wait a minute, can't I just put my account on another phone? I think I can. Again, I die. How delightful. Oh, my dog, this is... This is just as rageable as Cuphead. And yes, I play Cuphead. And I can't do a Let's Play on it because I'm already playing the freaking game. And I really don't like starting new save files. Yellow, blue, green. Oh, lucky, lucky, lucky. That looks like a fun game. Battle Disc. Nothing really changes with the backgrounds. Ow. 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 Fever! Seriously, this is like the most soundless game I've ever played. Okay, that's not true. I have an app that allows me to stall time. Oh my goodness, this game is so weird and stupid. Because you literally just bash people into the freaking ocean. Oh. I died again. That Falcon be a dummy, because he bullied me. He's a bully. Hashtag unhardy abuse. Hashtag unhardy abuse. Frick. Again. I keep on dying. And I don't know why. How delightful.